Hello there guys, welcome back to the channel and another MOT prep update on Orwin, my mk2 Cav. And as you can see, if you've been watching the series, you'll know that I've been doing the rear spring seat repairs, and as you can see, the spring seat is now reattached, welded back on, and it's got a layer of the Q-rust, rust protection, rust killer paint on it. Once that's dried, I'll give it a nice layer of some kind of other paint, maybe just some black hammerite or something. So yeah, so that's one bit done. I obviously need to get the rear spring back in position and get the shocks bolted back in and everything, but I'm not going to do that right away because I'm concentrating on repairing another bit of rust that I knew about, which was this here, which comes through the floor. As you can see, my fingers there through the hole, and it's obviously where the seat belt mount is at the end of the sill, so it's a structurally very important part. But what I didn't know was that this bit was rotted, so I've just found another bit here which is rotted. It was actually just bubbled, and I don't trust bubbled paint, so I give the bubbled paint a good prod and a poke, and there you go, it's gone through in hole. So that there is actually the chassis rail, and as you can see, I've got some more welding to do. I already knew about this bit, but I've also got this bit as well to do. So the joys of old cars, finding more bits that you didn't know needed doing. So in order to get to it, I've tilted the seat forward, I've unbolted the backrest and lifted the seat forward, carpet forward, lifted this carpet forward to get good access. And underneath the carpet, look what I found. I found an old style 10p, one of the old big ones. I'm just trying to see if I can see a year on it. 1968 it says. I don't know if you'll see it on camera. 1968. There's also a 10 franc coin. So obviously pre-Euro. Not sure if there's a year on that, and I'll just have a little look. Not sure if I can see a year on it in the camera. Might have to give it a clean and see if I can see a year on it. But that's pretty cool. An old 1p coin. Obviously 1p coins can still be used. That's from 1958, is it? It can't be that old. I can't actually tell what it says. 1988. I'm going to say that makes more sense. 1988. And then a ring pull. I don't know what the ring pull is from. Can anybody recognise that? It just looks like it says anal. Interesting. If anybody can identify what this ring pull is from, please let me know in the comments. But yeah, I just thought it was pretty cool that I found them underneath the carpet. They were just underneath this bit, so they've obviously fell through somewhere where the seatbelt hole is. So it'll be interesting one day to have a look at that side and see if there's anything under. So, but yeah, thankfully, looking down the rest of this inner sill area, all looks solid from what I can see. It's just this rear section here, so some more chopping, some more welding to be done. All good fun, all good fun. So yeah, keep tuned guys, and I shall upload more later. Cheers.